Hello everyone, and welcome back to English with Uncle. Today, you are going to practice real English sentences that native speakers use every day. This lesson is designed for beginners and intermediate English learners from around the world. Please listen carefully, repeat loudly, and practice every sentence with confidence. Remember, the more you repeat, the more natural your English will become. So relax. Part 1. Morning English Sentences. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning. How did you sleep? Repeat. How did you sleep? I slept very well. Repeat. I slept very well. What time did you wake up? Repeat. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7 o'clock. Repeat. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I need some coffee. Repeat. I need some coffee. Are you ready for the day? Repeat. Are you ready for the day? Let's have breakfast. Repeat. Let's have breakfast. I am running late. Repeat. I am running late. Take your time. Repeat. Take your time. Have a wonderful day. Repeat. Have a wonderful day. Excellent job. Now let's practice a short conversation. Morning conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. What are your plans today? I have to go to work and finish some tasks. Sounds good. Have a great day. You too. Very nice. Now repeat the conversation by yourself. Part 2. Daily life sentences. Now let's learn common daily English expressions. Listen carefully. I'm getting ready for work. Repeat. I'm getting ready for work. Please call me later. Repeat. Please call me later. I'm busy right now. Repeat. I'm busy right now. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Of course. Repeat. Of course. I appreciate your help. Repeat. I appreciate your help. What do you think? Repeat. What do you think? That sounds like a good idea. Repeat. That sounds like a good idea. I completely agree with you. Repeat. I completely agree with you. Let me check. Repeat. Let me check. I understand. Repeat. I understand. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Could you explain it again? Repeat. Could you explain it again? Please speak slowly. Repeat. Please speak slowly. No problem. Repeat. No problem. Wonderful work. Keep repeating every sentence clearly and confidently. Part 3. English Listening Practice. Now it's time for listening practice. Just listen carefully first. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. I need to wake up early, prepare breakfast, and finish my office work before noon. In the evening, I plan to meet my friend for dinner. We haven't seen each other in a long time, so I'm really excited. Now let's repeat sentence by sentence. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. Repeat. I need to wake up early. Repeat. Prepare breakfast. Repeat. Finish my office work before noon. Repeat. In the evening, I plan to meet my friend for dinner. Repeat. Excellent pronunciation. Part 4. English Speaking Practice. Now let's improve your speaking confidence. Answer these questions aloud. What is your name? Pause and answer. Where are you from? Pause and answer. What do you do every morning? Pause and answer. What is your favorite hobby? Pause and answer. Why are you learning English? Pause and answer. Very good. Speaking English every day will improve your fluency faster than you think. Part 5. Real-life English conversation. Let's practice a natural conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. What do you need? I'm looking for the nearest train station. Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Now repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, can you help me? Repeat. Sure. What do you need? Repeat. I'm looking for the nearest train station. Repeat. Excellent work. Part 6. Advanced Daily Expressions. Now let's learn some advanced English expressions. I'll think about it. Repeat. I'll think about it. That makes sense. Repeat. That makes sense. I'm looking forward to it. Repeat. I'm looking forward to it. It depends on the situation. Repeat. It depends on the situation. I totally understand how you feel. Repeat. I totally understand how you feel. Everything will be fine. Repeat. Everything will be fine. Practice these expressions every day. They will help you sound more natural in English conversations. Part 7. Motivation for English learners. Before we finish today's lesson, remember this. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You only need confidence, consistency, and practice. Every day you practice English, you become stronger and more fluent. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep improving. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Ending. Thank you so much for learning with English with Uncle. If you enjoyed this lesson, continue practicing these sentences every day. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep practicing English.